So hi everyone. In this video, we'll create a Spring Boot application and we'll deploy that Spring Boot application into an Azure Web App Service. So first we'll uh, first we'll upload our project into an GitHub repository, and then we'll deploy that application into Azure Web App Service. So we'll create a repository. तो हम यहाँ repository का नाम देंगे Azure Web App Repo. So this is the name is available. I will keep the rest fields as it is and create. So after this, we'll copy this URL of this repository from here. So in the Spring Boot STS, I've already created a Spring Boot application. So it is simple web application. So यहाँ हमने सिर्फ एक नॉर्मल से एंड पॉइंट रखा है. इसमें एक get mapping का एक मेथड है. So this will return a message. Hello, welcome to Mindful Text. So we'll push this project into GitHub. So from teams, we'll commit push to commit. So here there are no changes as I've committed to the local branch already. So there are no changes. So from here, we'll create a new the repository we have created. So that link I will provide here. So here this is a remote name, any remote name we can give. So I have already created a token from Azure to login. So you also can create the same token, and always you can provide the same token as a username and password. So same token हम use कर सकते हैं. So again I will provide the token. So our project is pushed into that branch or the repository branch into the master branch from our repository. So just refresh our project here. Now we'll go to Azure Web App Service. So here in the Azure portal, we'll search for App Service. Here I'm using the free service. There is no any charges for using this Azure portal up to 30 days. Just we have to sign up with a credit card, and there is no charge uh, deduction from it. So सर्विस हमें सिर्फ यहाँ एक क्रिएट पे क्लिक करना है वेब ऐप और here I have already created a resource group. So it is simple. You can create a resource group. Resource group is nothing but grouping of your resources. So Azure में different resources होते हैं. जैसे एक web app एक resource है. So similarly एक आप Azure की SQL database service use करते, so that is another resource. So logical grouping of that resource into a group with a name, with a particular name. So this is a this name we can give. So this I already created a resource group, and here I'm selecting the already used one. So here इधर हमें अपने ऐप को एक नाम देना है. So I'm giving Java web app. So it is a unique name, so ये match हो गया. So I'm selecting code. So here it is a Java jar file. So we are selecting we are selecting the Java version. So I've used Java 17, so I'm selecting this. So it is a Windows based operating system for the web app I am selecting, or here I am keeping the same Java SE, as it is a jar project. So I am selecting an embedded server. If it is a var file, you can a var project, you can select any of the Tomcat uh, web server. So I'm keeping the region as the same. Here I'm not changing nothing. Then next. In the deployment, I'm selecting for the continuous deployment, and here from here you can select the or sign in for your GitHub account. So I've already signed in. So हमने यहाँ already sign in किया है. So our account is connected. So after that, I will check for the organization. That's the GitHub account name, as it is an individual account. So then after that हम select करेंगे repository. So हमारे repository का नाम Azure Web App Repo. So the branch is the master branch. That is the only one branch in this repo. So उसके बाद just will review and create. So it will take time. So our deployment is complete. So we'll go to that web app. हम जाएंगे यार deployment center में. So here we got that as deployment failure. So let's see. Well, go to the GitHub. GitHub, our GitHub repository. Here from the GitHub workflows, we'll go to actions, and here you can see the build is failed. So let's see. We can see here it is unable to get the form.xml file. So for this, we'll go to our project. The GitHub actions, and we'll go here, edit this file. So here we have to check the form.xml file location. So we'll go to code demo for the form.xml location, copy link address, then again the GitHub workflows. Here we have to edit this file. Here you can see mvn clean install. So in this file we can see these are just the commands for building your application and deploying your application into an Azure web. So this file is automatically created by the Azure web app service in the GitHub actions. So हमें यहाँ से ये दोनों changes करने हैं, mvn clean install -f then our form.xml location file. So यहाँ हमें एक चीज पे ध्यान देना है कि the location should be the same of our project form.xml file. So in the Springboot application, here you can see the location of the form.xml file. Form.xml file. Yes, form.xml file is simple demo/form.xml file. So the name of the project is demo. So this name as well as the form.xml file, this is the location of the form.xml file in our project. So it's the same location we should give. After that, so as we have changed the run command, that is mvn clean install. So here we have to just remove this path and provide the project name. So our project name of the Springboot application, as we know, is demo. So we have changed this. Just these two changes we have to do, this run command as well as this. So here the mvn clean install -f, this is the project name demo and /form.xml file. So this was the actual location of our form.xml file in our project. So just to go here, commit changes. So update, this is the commit. So इसके बाद हम जाएंगे actions में, और here we can see the building of our project. Let's wait. So the building is in progress. So यहाँ हम देख सकते हैं the build is successful and now it is deploying our application into the Java web app service. So here we can see हमने अपना Java Springboot application deploy कर दिया है हमारे web app service में. So we'll go here. So in the overview, so we'll go to this domain link and we'll copy this endpoints. So here we can see we have got this error page. So we'll provide the endpoints. So here we can see we have successfully deployed a Spring Boot application onto an Azure Web App Service, uh, and here you can see the URL, and these are the endpoints. You can customize this URL and give a particular domain name and use your web application. So this is a simple demo. Yes, that's it.